Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So glad you're here. Wyatt and I are here to bring you an unboxing video. So if you like those, please keep watching. Today I have a Trendsend unboxing for you. So super excited. I love Trendsend. Trendsend is a subscription service through the store Evereve, which I do not have any of those stores anywhere near me. There is no styling fee. They will charge your card $1 to make sure that it's working before they kick off your style. It's free shipping both ways. There is no discount if you keep a certain amount of items. Just keep what you love, send back what you don't, and let's dig in. So, I love Trendsend. They always seem to send me different things that I don't see or get from other boxes. And they always come in outfits. So recently I've heard they have switched from, they used to send you 3 outfits to 2 outfits, which looks like I've got 2 bundles in here. So you get a bag to return what you don't want to keep, and an envelope with information in it. And a price sheet. My stylist is Emma, and she has been my stylist from the beginning. And I don't want to look at prices yet. I'll look at the items and then read her notes and try them on, and then we'll go over prices at the end. So first bundle, which these feel heavy, says, say yes to new adventure. This looks like casual wear. Okay, I see a t-shirt by Suburban Riot. Does it say pine tree and rain, fire, cider, pumpkin, leaves, hay rides, and football? That's not to get you in the mood for fall, right? Okay, feels like a nice soft t-shirt. Next up, this looks like a jacket. Oh, it's a little Moto jacket. Isn't that cute? By Marrakech. It's very cute. It's super soft. I'm sure it's expensive. I'm trying not to look at any prices, but this feels wonderful. That's super cute. I like that. And then this, I think, is a jumpsuit. It is. This is black, sleeveless, little faux wrap here at the top. It does have pockets. And it's a jumpsuit. Check that out. So, this isn't really an outfit, right? I could see the jacket with the jumpsuit, but what am I supposed to do with the t-shirt? Fascinating. All right, next outfit. I'm guessing that pinstriping are pants. Oh, and it says choose kind over cool. Oh, let me say that first. Let's see what she says about outfit 1, which was actually outfit 2. She says, I wanted to send you 2 different pieces in this look that will look amazing on you. I love when you can take a jacket and style it totally different depending on what you pair with it. When you're wearing this jacket with a graphic tee, pair it with the AG bottoms from the first look. Okay, so here we go. And a pair of sorrel boots from the Evereve website. Nice pitch to buy more. Style it with a jumpsuit on your wish list and a pair of heels. Okay, that was the second outfit. So let's see what's in this first outfit, which were the bottoms she wanted me to try on with the t-shirt. Okay, so that makes sense. Here we go. All right, first up is a Michael Stars long sleeve white tee. Basic white tee. So that's cute. Looks like 3/4 sleeves. And I think I had this on my wish list. This is a cut from the Kloth Blazer, pinstripe blazer. I do think I had this on my wish list. Is that not cute? It's a very nice fabric. It's a knit. It's very thick though. It does have pockets. Oh, it's not lined, but it is so, it's a nice heavy fabric that this would be so nice for dress or casual. So I don't know if you guys caught the price tag. I did not, but I don't think it was cheap, unfortunately. So I'm pretty sure that was on my wish list. That is so nice. Okay, and I always get nervous whenever I see this tag, premium denim. That's never a good sign. And of course, these are AG denim jeans, which these are going to be expensive. And this is a very pretty wine color. These are very nice. And they are the Luscious Super Stretch Sateen. Probably going to love them. I shouldn't even try them on because they're going to be too much money. Oh, okay. So these are very cute. And this is a very nice outfit she put together here. Very nice. This is a very cute work outfit too. Oh, and she wanted me to, she told me to put this t-shirt together, right? Is that what she wanted me to do with these bottoms? And the jacket. I'm dropping things. Okay. And when you're wearing this jacket with the graphic tee paired with the AG bottoms from the first look. So that's what she wanted me to do. So I'll try it together and see what it looks like. Okay, so her notes from this other outfit said, the thing I love most about the workwear pieces we offer is that they are a great transition into date night. With a quick swap of a shoe or piece of elevated jewelry, this look will take you from the office to dinner with a view. The AG bottoms have lots of stretch and are running big, so I sent you a size down. Yikes. Oh, she did. Okay. So I'm afraid to look at prices, so we won't do that till the very end because this could be frightening. So let me see how these things look. I'll be right back. Okay, outfit number one is this black jumpsuit, which I must have had on my wish list. And I think I did. And this Moto jacket. And this jumpsuit, I see a fuzz, sorry, is so cute. It does fit really well. It has pockets. The length of it is perfect, and I just put it on with these little lace-up sandals for now. It is, I'll take off the jacket and show it to you in just a minute, but it is sleeveless. It's a little faux wrap. It does have an attachment right here to keep it closed for you. It does have a tapered leg, and it's very cute. Now, this jacket, you can see the sleeves are very long on me, but there's no zippers or anything on it, so I rolled the sleeve, which feels much better. I don't know which one you guys like, but I'm actually leaning towards rolling it, which feels a little bit better to me. And I don't think looks bad. This is very soft. It is super comfortable. It fits fantastic. And I think this is a very cute jacket. I love the jacket. Okay. Loving the jacket. I even like the color of it. This gray color is super pretty. All right, so here is the rest of this jumpsuit. It's super dark in here. I got an extra lamp just to try to add some light in here. I don't know if it's going to help or not, but I'm trying. Yeah. I'm kind of liking this jumpsuit. I don't know if it does it do anything for me other than it's super comfortable. I feel like I have sweatpants on, but I feel like I look dressed up. Okay, next outfit. Okay, so here is Emma's second outfit. She wanted me to pair this very colorful and cute t-shirt with the AG denim and the Moto jacket, which I love. I think I said that. Okay, so the t-shirt's super cute, basic t-shirt. I'm not sure I love it with these jeans, but it's a cute t-shirt. The jeans are super soft. They are an awesome color. I paired it with just a pair of tennis shoes since I put on the jeans to go for a casual look. These are just a cute wedge tennis shoe. But yeah, these jeans fit fantastic. I have a little bit of room in the waist, but that's normal for me, but I don't think it's anything major. And I did do the bend test and they didn't move. And I think they will relax when I wear them, so I don't think it'll be an issue. So they're very cute. I really like the color going into fall. And I really like the jacket, which I've already said. Okay, next outfit. Okay, here is the last outfit. The cut from the Kloth Blazer and the AG jeans and the white top, which I can't remember who it's by right now. And I do really like these jeans. I like the color of them. They do fit wonderfully. This blazer is very nice. It has they have it cuffed, which, what does it look like? Uncuffed. Okay, so it does have this nice little thick cuff on there. And for me, I think I would need to leave it cuffed, leave that cuff in place because my arms are short. So this is a very nice blazer. It does not have any buttons to actually close it for, you know, permanently there. It does have pockets. It is a longer length, which I like. So I think it's a very nice blazer. I like it. And this top, this t-shirt is a very nice, loose, comfy t-shirt. It is long sleeve, not 3/4. I thought it was originally. So it's nice. Yep. And then I tucked it in, but it's got little, it's almost like a shark bite. You guys can see that. And it's got side slits as well. So I don't know if I really like that feature of it, but I do like the flowiness of it. So it's a nice basic. All right, I'll be right back for a quick wrap up. All right, guys, so what did you think? I have a feeling I like all the super expensive stuff. So let's check it out. All right. So my stylist notes, so I read the outfit notes. Her original notes said, "Hi Laura, I was so excited to see that you decided to order another Trendsend this month. The outfits I included will be great for you to work into your current wardrobe while being able to mix and match with the other pieces included in the box. I look forward to reading your feedback." Okay, so prices. So I do see I did get a 20% referral discount. So I cannot thank those of you who have used my referral link enough, like a million thank yous. I so very much appreciate it. That really helps me out and really supports my channel so I can help bring you guys more of these unboxings. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I will include my referral link down below in the description box. And if you do use that link, it does give me a 20% discount on my next box on anything that I decide to keep. So thank you, thank you, thank you to those of you who have done it and someone did use it, so I was able to get 20% off anything that I keep out of this box. So a million thank yous. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, so that changes up my prices a little bit. So let's run through these items. First up was this black jumpsuit. So this was on my wish list. And if you go out, if you set up an account, a Trendsend account, you can go out into the Ever Eve store and also set up an account there and create a wish list of items that you like. And your stylist will go out to that wish list and look at them and occasionally pick items from that wish list. And that's exactly what my stylist did. So this item and the blazer were both items from my wish list. So surprisingly, because I struggle with jumpsuits and I only own one other one, I really liked this. What did you guys think? Did it look all right on? It felt like I had sweats on, which was wonderful because it also, I thought, looked dressy. I'm just not sure how it looked on. So I'd love to hear what you guys think because this is in my maybe pile right now. It was super comfy. And the jumpsuit was originally $108. And it's by Michael Stars, the Surplice knit jumpsuit, and it would be $86.40 if I kept it. That's a lot. But it is a whole outfit. So now I'm justifying. Okay. Next up is this t-shirt, which I think is very cute. But I also think I'm probably not going to reach for it. I'm not really a fall girl. I'm a summer girl. I'd be more likely to keep this if it had, I'm all about palm trees and 80 degrees, right? I'm not really into fall that much, unfortunately, because I feel like it's always cold in Pennsylvania, and I'm more of a summer girl. This is called the Fall Awesome Tea in Black, and it is by Suburban Riot. The original price of it is $38, and my price would be $30.40, but this is in my no pile. Next up is this jacket. I love, love, love this jacket. It is the Rachel Moto jacket in gray, and the original price of this is $158. Ouch. And my price would be $126.40. I love it. So it is going in my maybe pile. So I'm gonna have to see what I want to keep and how much money I can afford to spend. Okay, next up is these AG jeans. Okay, so these are the Farrah Skinny Ankle jean, and the original price of these is $178. My price would be $142.40. I love the color of these. I think they're super, it's a super nice fall color. I think they'll go with a lot. I'm just gonna have to see if I have any other jeans in this color. And if I do, I'm going to pass. So these are gonna go in my maybe pile. And I'm also gonna have to see, because I think I like the jacket better than the jeans. And I don't know if I can afford to keep both. So they're going in my maybe pile right now. And maybe I'll wait and see what everybody's comments are and see if you guys like something better than the other. I knew I was gonna like all the expensive stuff. Okay. Next up is the blazer. And of course I had this in my wish list. I really do like the blazer. And this is the Babette Blazer by Cut from the Cloth. And it was $98 and my price would be $78.40. So this is also going in my maybe pile, but I'll be honest with you, I love the Moto jacket more than the blazer. So if it comes down to what I'm willing to spend money on, I would probably cut it, although I do really like it. It would be great for work. And last up is this Michael Stars white t-shirt, $68. And my price would be $54.40, and this is going in my no pile. So literally the two cheapest items are in my no pile. And all my previous Trendsends have had 8 items, and this one had 6 items in it. So they have cut back on what they are sending you. I have 5 days to decide what I'm going to keep. And it does go back by USPS, which I like. That's the easiest method for me to send everything back. So I can't wait to read what you guys thought about these items. What should I definitely keep? What should I send back? I really have to watch my prices here since I liked all the expensive items. If I kept everything but those 2 t-shirts, I would spend I'm not really good doing this in my head, but it would probably be somewhere around $400, so I'm thinking. Actually be more than that. Yeah. Yeah, maybe like 450. Okay, that's too much. So something in my pile of 4 has to go. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it. I would love, love, love it if you would hit that subscribe button and show me some support. If you have already, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please hit that like button. That's how I know how I'm doing. And from me and my sleepy sidekick, we so appreciate you guys watching. Have an awesome day. Until next time, bye-bye.